Hey, welcome friends. It is lesson 64 where we talk about division, and not only division but two-digit division sometimes with remainder answers. This is going to be so good for you because the practice is what's going to make this easy. But it will only get easy when you practice. So let's dive in. 51 divided by 3. We begin by saying 3 can go into 5 how many times? I say 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Then I subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. I bring down my 1. 21 can be divided by 3 7 times. 3 times 7 is 21. Beautiful. And so we know that 51 can be divided by 3 17 times. And we need to probably check that because I failed to do that earlier in this lesson. So let me show you how we check if we've got a correct answer. We take our 17 and we multiply it by 3. If our numbers are correct, we will get 51. If our math is not correct, we'll get a different answer, and that's when we have to start looking at what we did. So let's try this. 3 times 7 is 21. I go 1, carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. Yay! Yay! Our answer is correct. So we can move on. But that is how we checked because I failed to do that earlier in the lesson. Next one, 52 divided by 4. 5 can be divided by 4 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. We subtract and we have 1. We bring down our 2. 4 divided by 2. 12 can be divided by 4 3 times. We multiply, then we subtract, and we have 0, and we have no other numbers to bring down, and so it's awesome. 5 into 75. 5 can go into 7 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. I'm multiplying. My next step is I subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. I bring down my 5, and 25 can be divided by 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. We subtract 0. There's nothing else for us to bring down, so we are completed. It's a beautiful thing. It was very happy ending. Nice, nice, nice. 3 can go into 7. How many times? 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract gives us a 1. We bring down our 2. We now have 12. 12 can be divided by 3 4 times. Another beautiful happy ending. 4 times 3 is 12. We subtract. No remainders. 4 can go into 9 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. We subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. We bring down our 6. 16 can be divided by 4 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. We subtract. 0. Beautiful ending. Finally, our last one. 7 can be divided by 2 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. We bring down 14. 14 can be divided by 2 7 times. We multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. We subtract. We have 0. And our set is complete. Practice will make this better. Good luck on the homework. Let me know if you have any issues. Keep going on this until you get it right. It does take some practice. So way to go, way to stick with me. Good luck on your homework.